Did you know that there are 4 playgrounds here at Epcot, and one of them is in a secret space? Hi, I'm Christina, and yes, there are 4 playgrounds or play areas here at Epcot. And I brought my 9 and 7-year-old here and 1-year-old to play them, and we will rank them so that you know when you come visit what are must-dos for your kids to play on. I'll be sharing the hidden playground later on this video. For now, hit that subscribe button for more family vacation tips. Now for our first playground. The first playground is Playalong Bay, and actually this is a seasonal playground, so it's only here during Epcot's Flower and Garden Festival from March 5th through June 2nd. But during other times of the year, this is also a fantastic play area for your kids, and usually themed to whatever festival Epcot is running at the time. So this is a playground now, but it's always a play area. And it is located between World Showcase over there and Imagination Pavilion is right there. See, there's the main bridge to World Showcase from World Celebration in the center of the park. There are some chairs and picnic tables and tall cocktail tables and a lot of grass. There's also some shade as well. Next is an indoor playground themed to sharks, and it is located in the World Nature area. In fact, it is inside the exit of Nemo and Friends ride called the Sea Base, which not only has this fun playground where you can learn about sharks, but it also has beautiful sea creatures that you can explore and a scavenger hunt for you to find different fish and sea animals throughout. And this is available throughout the entire year. And this is a great thing to do, especially if the park is super busy and all the wait times are really long. Now, some people might consider Journey of Water, inspired by Moana, to be a playground. And it is kind of a play area because it's very interactive. There's a little splash pad area. And like I said, lots of interactive stations that you can play with water. But we are categorizing a playground as equipment where your kids can climb on, play around, run around, like a playground you would find at a park. 40 minutes for Finding Nemo? Yeah, that is what usually in the evening it is walk on. So we're going to play. And you can definitely bring your stroller inside. Unless you're going to do Turtle Talk with Crush, then you have to park outside. I learned that one time. If you already have all the Disney souvenirs, I bet you don't have a jellyfish hat. Bruce's Shark World. And here you can learn fun facts about sharks. Ooh, this is cool. Sharks come in all shapes and sizes. Some of these are located here in the sea pavilion. Like there's a hammerhead shark, no great whites. And then you can go into Bruce's sub house. There's a lot of interactive elements here. So maybe this is more like Moana, where there's not much to climb up. What do you see? Ah! But there is a shark head that you can climb into, get a picture taken. Give it a spin. Oh, you can line them up. What's for dinner? Ooh, what's in here? What's for dinner? A turtle, you are correct. Uh-oh, that looks like a seal, but it's a surfer. What's the scariest word to a shark? Human. It's hard to see what's in here, but they're essentially human objects that aren't safe for sharks. Fries, often the fish is shark.
Oh, okay.
What? Really? Shark Anatomy 101. We don't want to bite you, but never stick your hand in a shark's mouth. Then why is there a hole there? Oh, more. Did you know sharks have been around since the dinosaurs? That's cool. Wow. This is very educational and fun. Ooh, you can take a shark challenge after you've read all the things. How many sharks a year? 10. Good job. About 10 people worldwide are killed by sharks each year. In fact, you have a better chance of being hurt by a bee, a dog, or a jellyfish than one of us. The shark is the largest fish in the ocean. Blue shark, whale shark, bull shark, great white. Oh, try again. Blue shark sounds. Nope. Whale shark. Oh, it is the whale shark. I was wrong. I did not read everything. Okay, so this on the right side is the exit, and where we came in, the sub house versus sub house is the entrance. What's nice is that this area is kind of contained with only 2 doors in. Before we head to our next playground, we need to eat some lunch. So we are heading to Connections Eatery, which is located behind this park's Starbucks. And we mobile ordered, so hopefully by the time we get there, it'll be ready for us to grab and find a table to eat. Connections Eatery has some of the most kid-friendly options. That and Sunshine Seasons, located in the Land Pavilion. Also, if you are looking to rent a stroller during your next visit to Disney World, I recommend trying out Kingdom Strollers. They have great reviews, clean, comfortable strollers, better than the Disney hard plastic ones, and they're cheaper to rent than the Disney ones as well. So check the description below for my affiliate link. Okay, I got a seared ahi tuna salad, and that was delicious last time I had it. And we got a kid's pizza, and look at that slice, it's huge. With soda, fries, and a cutie. And we got chicken strips with fries and a cutie and apple juice. Okay, finished with lunch, and that took a while. The girls had a lot of food, and they ate pretty much all of it, except maybe a few fries. And my salad was really good. The vinaigrette is very citrus flavored, and the olives in it were very salty, but otherwise those were the strongest flavors, but it was still very refreshing, very delicious. Next, playground in World Discovery, the Wally Playground, which is located, there's Test Track, here are restrooms, and it is located right over here next to the Creation Shop. So this is a Wally Playground all year round, but right now, because of Flower Garden Festival, it's called Camp Get Out and Play Garden. Very pretty right here. Solve the riddle and find the object. On playing fields, it's often found the thing is the fun. This thing is fun to kick around. Ball. Oh, they redecorated it. Instead of Wally, they put on these stickers. More of a camping theme. Interesting. is here all year round. Umbrellas. It's a picnic blanket. Are you happy about it? A little bit. Yeah. All right, so we played the camping playground. Next, let's go to the secret playground. Okay, it's not really a secret, but it is inside, hidden away. Not many people know about it, except you will after this. So here's a splash pad, and that looks fun if you want your kids to get soaking wet. That's up to you, I guess. Okay, then we're gonna make a turn over here towards Mission Space Pavilion. And no, we are not riding Mission Space because we have a 1-year-old who can't go on it. And no, we are not going to Space 220 restaurant, although that's fun place to be where you can eat in the space station, but it's quite expensive. And oh look, Buzz Lightyear welcomes us. Yeah, but we're gonna go right over here to the left into the exit of Mission Space, because they have what's called a training lab. So like I said, not many people know about this. It's indoors, so that's nice. And some interactive elements in here as well. We have this Mission Space store, some Star Wars merch. Keep going. And there is a lot of space theme interactive elements. A playground right over there where your kids can crawl around. Some more interactive elements. Oh, you can make postcards. Space base. But there's a bunch of tunnels. Spaceship. I don't know if you can go into that. And it's lovely because it's so air conditioned in here. There's some seating in here too. It's nice for parents. Danielle, this way. This way. Is this cool or what? Those like mirrors? Kind of, huh? I hear Mom. Hi. Okay, there's also a little tunnel here for ages 2 to 5. It just goes in there, comes out over there. Yeah, good job! Oh, there's balls in there. That's kind of hard to spin. Let's try the rocket ship here. Oh. Ah, that's a little hard too. Ooh, got fun decorations back there, like you're on a planet. Oh my goodness, so many tunnels. And the bigger tunnels are for ages 5 to 12. Update, I lost my second-born. I think my firstborn is up there. Oh, there she is. Oh, I see them. Wow, that goes up high. I see you. They're not paying attention. Look out the window, girls. Wow, I guess you can crawl up there too. It's like a hamster playground. There are drinking fountains right at the exit of the ride, in case you need them. She's trapped. So So what do you do? Is this a game where you're on Mars?
One small step for man. Step for man. One giant
Oh.
for mankind.
So we're trying these. We're pushing all the buttons and nothing seems to be doing anything. Are these not working? Okay, we've been on Playalong Bay, Bruce's Shark World, the Wally / Camp Get Out and Play Playground, and Space Base. Which one is your favorite?
Space Base.
Why?
Because it's bigger, it has tunnels that you can crawl in, and it has cool things in it.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so number one for us is the Space Base Playground because of all the tunnels. It's a lot bigger, a lot more interactive. There's lots of seating for parents. There's nearby drinking fountains, and the theming's fantastic. And it's inside with air conditioning, so big bonus points there. I think number two is the camping or get out and play or Wally playground, whatever you want to call it, outside the creation shop because it's there all year round. There is some seating. There's not a whole lot to do besides the playground, so it's just an easy spot for kids to burn off energy, but there's not a whole lot of shade. Number three is probably the Playalong Bay because it is seasonal, but there is a lot of seating and there is a good amount of shade and it's close to food booths, so that's even a bonus. But like I said, it changes every festival, so there's always something fun for your kids to do. And then the final number four would be Shark World because even though it is a playground and it's very educational and it is indoors with air conditioning, there's not a whole lot to climb on and play in. So that's why it's number 4 on our list. But it is a play area, so it is super fun. And I guess if you count that, you also might count the Journey of Water Moana experience because that also has interactive experiences, but there's nothing to climb on. So maybe those are tied for 4th if you count them as playgrounds, but they are play areas for sure. And what's nice about Shark World is that it's inside the sea base, so there's lots of sea creatures to explore, even a little scavenger hunt to go on and find different fish and sharks and sea turtles, and it's beautiful in there. So did you find this video helpful for your next Epcot visit? Please like it. And I have an upset baby, so I'm going to end the video now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more family vacation tips and have a magical day. Bye.